Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can hide your following and followers list on Spotify, but it's going to only be hidden on like your public profile. So what you're going to do, as you can see, there's like this followers and following bit here on your profile. Select the profile picture up here on the top right corner of your screen, then select settings. Then you are going to scroll down until you find social. There's a lot of options you can choose from, but you are going to just deselect the show my follower and following lists on my public profile. So if you go back to your profile, as you can see, you'll still be able to see your followers and following, but if somebody else clicks on your profile, they won't be able to see that. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!